Hey everybody, today is March 11th, 2025. It's the 5-week anniversary of my shoulder surgery, right shoulder rotator cuff repair, complete tear, 2 partial tears, bicep reconnect, and 2 bone spurs up here at the top. So a lot of stuff was going on in there. The recovery has been very good. You may also notice the pictures back on my wall behind me. It fell off one day just as I was starting to shoot. I finally hung it back up. So where am I? I reported this last week. I had been to the doctor. PT's been going well. The doctor said I only have to wear the sling when I leave the house, which is all I've done. As a matter of fact, it's in my car right now. I didn't even bring it back in the house. I'm doing physical therapy now 2 days a week, doing some different exercises where I do the pulley. That feels really good. And I can lift this arm up. I mean, this is the arm, and it feels pretty good. It's a little tight. The mornings are tight. And last night I woke up at 4 a.m., and it was just really burning. I don't know if I was laying on it the wrong way, but I got to say those times are minimal and they're few and far between. Once I get up and start moving around, it feels pretty good. You know, as I go through my day, I have a desk job, so I get that. It's different from a lot of people, and I have no discomfort all day long. The days I do go to physical therapy or do exercises, I put ice on it and sit and watch a little TV in the evening, and it really helps a lot. I don't know what value there will be in me continuing these videos, so this may be my last weekly update. Just know that 5 weeks post-surgery, that things are going well. I have a lot of mobility, a lot of flexibility now. The portion of my arm that didn't work well before surgery is definitely fixed. As I demonstrated in a previous video, it's when I reach out like this. When I extend my arm from my side straight ahead, it used to come out and it would cock way out to the side and then go. I believe I may have showed that in my very first video, but now it's just smooth. The pain has been minimal. Sleeping is much better, and I'm really glad I did it. So if you have shoulder surgery in your future, I would say embrace it. Take the attitude of the 3-legged dog, which is what I told myself as I went into this. I wanted to be the 3-legged dog. And if you don't know what that means, you know, if you watch these veterinary shows and this poor dog gets hit by a car or is injured and it is put to sleep, they amputate a leg and the dog wakes up and it sees its owner and it's happy. And it's like, hey, my first couple of steps are kind of weird, but maybe I've only had 3 legs my whole life and I just don't remember it. That's how I went into this thing, knowing that I was going to lose a lot of functionality. The 5 weeks has gone very fast. I have 3 more weeks to go to where a lot of the mobility is expected to be back and the strength is starting to regain. Next week in week 6, they're going to start bending my arm behind my back, which that's going to be painful because I know now that when I'm pulling at my pants or I reach behind my back, it's not pretty and it does hurt. So I know that one's going to be a little bit tough, but it's going to pass and it's going to be behind me soon. So if I have anything interesting come up, I'll shoot another video. Otherwise, just know, very pleased with the way things have turned out. I do my exercises, I go to physical therapy, I put ice on it, and relax. Don't lift anything heavy. Follow the orders of your doctor or your physical therapist, and things will go smooth. I know everyone's mileage is different, but I have to say it's been a pretty decent experience overall. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.